Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Play Store and tapping your profile icon. This is where Play Protect lives. Once done, go to Settings, then Safety, and tap Play Protect to reveal its controls. You need an unlocked device and an active Google account. Make sure you understand that disabling protection removes automated app scanning. This step locates the toggle and shows current scan history, so you know what you're about to change and why you might proceed cautiously. You now access Play Protect preferences via the gear icon and prepare to change scanning options. First, turn off the Scan apps with Play Protect toggle and accept the confirmation so the system stops automatic app checks. Next, inspect the optional Improve Detection or Data Sharing setting and disable it if you prefer less cloud reporting. Make sure to read prompts carefully. Disabling both stops background scans, but leaves other protections like finish by restarting your device so the change takes effect and then reopen Play Protect to confirm it shows disabled. If Play Store still runs scans, clear the Play Store and Play Services cache, or, if necessary, remove and re-add your Google account to reset settings. If problems continue, check for device management profiles that override Play Protect. Remember to re-enable Play Protect after completing your task, because leaving it off increases the risk of installing harmful apps and compromises security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.